Earn online 5 uncommon ideas for doctors. In the end, the procedure to get such income ideas for yourself. Can you answer the short question in the pinned comment after watching? Do you think your friends, with whom you share the video, can outscore you? Idea 1 of 5. Online medical consultations and second opinions. Step 1. Compliance and licensing. Ensure you comply with legal and licensing requirements for providing online medical consultations in the regions where you intend to offer your services. Step 2. Choose a platform. Select a secure and HIPAA-compliant telemedicine platform to conduct online consultations. Options include Doxy.me, Zoom for Healthcare, or specialized telemedicine platforms. Step 3. Set up an online presence. Create a professional website or profile on a telemedicine platform. Include information about your expertise, services offered, and scheduling options. Step 4. Market your services. Promote your online consultation services through your website, social media, and healthcare directories. Highlight your specialization and the benefits of seeking your professional advice. Step 5. Schedule appointments. Use an online scheduling system to manage appointments efficiently. Provide clear instructions to patients on how to access the virtual consultation. Idea 2 of 5. Health and wellness blog with affiliate marketing. Step 1. Identify your niche. Choose a specific health and wellness niche that aligns with your expertise and interests. This could be nutrition, fitness, mental health, etc. Step 2. Create a blog. Set up a blog using platforms like WordPress, Blogger, or Medium. Optimize your blog for SEO to attract organic traffic. Step 3. Produce quality content. Regularly create informative and engaging content related to your chosen niche. Include your professional insights to build credibility. Step 4. Join affiliate programs. Identify reputable health and wellness affiliate programs. This could include promoting fitness equipment, supplements, or health apps. Step 5. Integrate affiliate links. Strategically incorporate affiliate links into your blog posts. Ensure that the products or services you promote align with your professional recommendations. Step 6. Promote your blog. Utilize social media, email newsletters, and collaborations with other health professionals to promote your blog and increase affiliate earnings. Idea 3 of 5. Develop and sell online health courses. Step 1. Choose course topics. Identify health topics or medical conditions that you are knowledgeable about and that have broad appeal. Step 2. Plan course content. Outline the course content, including video lectures, quizzes, and downloadable resources. Structure the material for an online learning environment. Step 3. Choose an e-learning platform. Select an e-learning platform such as Teachable, Udemy, or Coursera to host and sell your courses. Step 4. Create course content. Develop high-quality video lessons and supporting materials. Ensure that the content is accessible and engaging for a diverse audience. Step 5. Set prices and enrollments. Set appropriate pricing for your courses. Decide whether to offer one-time purchases, subscriptions, or a combination. Step 6. Market your courses. Promote your courses through your website, social media, and collaborations. Consider offering promotional discounts to attract initial enrollments. Idea 4 of 5. Online medical writing and publishing. Step 1. Identify your writing niche. Choose a specific area of medicine or health that you are passionate about and have expertise in. Step 2. Create a writing portfolio. Build an online portfolio showcasing your medical writing skills. Include sample articles or publications. Step 3. Write and publish content. Regularly produce high-quality written content. Consider starting with a blog or contributing articles to reputable health websites. Step 4. Compile ebooks or white papers. Compile your best articles into ebooks or white papers. Ensure the content is well researched and provides value to readers. Step 5. Set up online sales channels. Create a platform to sell your ebooks or white papers. This can be done through your website, Amazon Kindle, or other online marketplaces. Idea 5 of 5. Create and monetize a health podcast. Step 1. Define your podcast niche. Choose a specific health niche or medical focus for your podcast. Consider areas where you can provide valuable insights. Step 2. Set up your podcast. Create and set up your podcast using platforms like Anchor, Libsyn, or Podbean. Ensure your episodes are professionally recorded and edited. Step 3. Plan content and episodes. Plan a content calendar with engaging topics, interviews, and discussions. Ensure your content is informative and appeals to your target audience. Step 4. Monetize through sponsorships. Seek sponsorships from health-related brands or services. Advertise their products or services during your podcast episodes. Step 5. Enable listener support. Utilize platforms like Patreon to allow listeners to support your podcast through donations. Offer exclusive content or perks to supporters. Step 6. Promote your podcast. Market your podcast through social media, collaborations with other podcasters, and health-related communities. Encourage listeners to share and subscribe. In the last video, I discussed income opportunities for web developers. Find the video here. Also, these tools boost your business. Finally, let me know your prominent skill or profession. If that's highly voted, I shall tell you such income ideas.